chest, Lucy. Play chess, Lucy. Have a go, Coco. Good girl. Now will you get the treats under the red bits? Not while that's stuck there. Take that out. Yeah, that's good. Get it out of the way. Good girl. Slide the red one. Good girl. Slide your good treat out from under there. What about the other red tiles, Lucy? You pick it up with your mouth. Yeah, good girl. She slide another one. You slide the other one. And go in different directions. There she goes. Got another one. Just two remaining under those middle red tiles. Oh. And she's gone around the board. Get the middle ones. You already got those ones, Liz. There you go. That's the one. Good girl. Last one to go. Last tile. There you go. Last one. One more to go. In the middle. In the middle there, Liz. You already got those ones, baby. Have a look, Coke. Can you do it? That middle one, Lucy, that's the one you've got to get. Other direction. Other way, baby. She's only missing one. It's not in the yellow thing. Come on, can you get the last one? There it is. Ooh. I think you got the red, blue, and there. Yeah, she's got it. There, she's got it. Or the last one. Good girl. 3 minutes and 3.5 minutes, Luce. You're so clever.